Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thanks for waiting for this video. Today, we're excited to introduce the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT, the best new adventure touring motorcycles must you buy. The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT is a versatile and robust adventure touring bike, designed for riders who crave both on-road comfort and off-road capability. Building on the legacy of the V-Strom series, the 2025 model is equipped with a refined 1037 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that provides a smooth balance of power and torque, making it ideal for long-distance touring as well as tackling rugged trails. 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT. MSRP, approx $14,500. Engine, 1037 cubic centimeters V-twin, liquid-cooled. Power, 107 horsepower. Torque, 79 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Seat height, 33.9 inches. Weight, 503 pounds. Fuel capacity, 20 liters. Features: ride-by-wire throttle system, adjustable shower suspension, Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, TFT color display with smartphone connectivity, advanced traction control and cruise control, cornering ABS and hill hold control, off-road and gravel riding modes. Technology: the 2025 model features an upgraded electronics package, including a 5-inch TFT display, updated traction control, and Suzuki's ride-by-wire throttle system. The introduction of adaptive cruise control and a quick shifter adds convenience for long rides. The fully adjustable suspension from Showa and a comfortable seat height make the V-Strom 1050 XT capable of handling any terrain, while keeping the rider relaxed during lengthy trips. Advanced rider aids like cornering ABS and hill hold control ensure safety on both paved and unpaved roads, making it an excellent choice for adventure touring.